Start your YouTube journey today. Hey Vibe Tribe, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to start your very own YouTube channel, but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Whether it's travel, tech, beauty, or even AI, pick something you're passionate about. This will help you stay motivated and create content you love. Step 2. Create a Google account if you don't have one already. You'll need it to access YouTube's creator tools. It's super simple. Just head to Google, sign up, and you're good to go. Step 3. Set up your channel. Go to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and hit Create a Channel. Choose a catchy name that reflects your niche, and make it easy to remember. Step 4. Design your channel. Add a profile picture, banner, and write a compelling About section. This helps viewers know what your channel's about and why they should subscribe. Step 5. Plan your content. Make a content calendar to stay organized. Aim for consistency, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly uploads, so your audience knows when to expect new videos. Step 6. Record and edit. Use your phone or a camera to shoot, and then use editing tools like Premiere Pro or free apps like iMovie to make your videos stand out. Step 7. Upload and optimize. Choose an eye-catching title, a good thumbnail, and don't forget to add tags and descriptions with relevant keywords so your videos get discovered. And finally, Step 8. Stay consistent and have fun. You'll improve over time, and remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the journey. Subscribe to Vibe and Tribe for more tips. That's it, Vibe Tribe. You're ready to start your YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your channel ideas. Catch you in the next one.